In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot issues logging into your LinkedIn account. We've all been there, trying to log in and being met with unexpected problems. But don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate through these challenges step by step. First things first, it's important to ensure that there's nothing wrong with your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can often be the culprit. Try switching to a different Wi-Fi network if another one is available to you. Maybe you're at a coffee shop or a friend's place with a stronger connection. If switching Wi-Fi isn't an option and you have mobile data available, try switching to that instead. After you've changed to a new connection, head back to LinkedIn and attempt to log in again. If logging in is successful now, it was probably your old connection causing the issue. However, if the problem persists, don't worry. There are more steps we can try. The next thing you should check is whether your LinkedIn app is updated. Ensuring your apps are up to date can prevent many glitches and improve performance. Open up your device's App Store or Google Play Store and search for LinkedIn, especially if it doesn't pop up immediately. If you notice an update button next to the LinkedIn app, go ahead and tap it. Wait a moment while it updates and then restart your phone. Once your phone is back on, give logging into LinkedIn another shot. When updating the app doesn't resolve the issue, the next tactic is clearing the app cache, which can remove any temporary files that may be causing trouble. Navigate to your LinkedIn app on your phone. Press and hold the app icon until you see a menu pop up, then tap the small I icon, which stands for App Info. On the App Info screen, look for the Clear Data option, tap it, and then tap Clear Cache. You'll likely see a prompt, so confirm by tapping OK. After this is done, reopen LinkedIn and try logging in once more. If you've tried all these steps and still can't log in, the issue might be on LinkedIn's end. Occasionally, LinkedIn may have maintenance or experience server outages. Unfortunately, in those cases, all you can do is wait a few hours and try logging in again later. I hope these steps help you resolve your LinkedIn login issues. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful content. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.